elbow fittings. Take out the raw materials. Put the raw materials neatly into the processing equipment first. The raw material is polished the second time. Our company has the automatic robot on CNC line. Then the material is sent to the machine below for further processing. All processings can reduce labor cost, lower management cost, and improve productivity. Later, the material belongs to the semi-finished product. The process is repeated again. The product is temporarily processed. Inspection is so important that the professional staff will carefully check the accurate data of the product. It's necessary to debug the product, which can reduce the risk of injury. At the same time, deburring can improve product quality and extend service life. The elbow fittings after galvanizing are more beautiful and rust-proof. To clarify production responsibility and product batches, engraving on the product plays a necessary role in the process. Then the products will be processed again. These products which have been processed will be stored neatly in the warehouse. Finally, the staff will pack them neatly and deliver the goods on time. Welcome.